Hi, today we are making Thai mussels. So you'll need ginger, the young one is less spicy. You'll clean the mussels, so remove all the debris, barnacles, and seaweed from it with a blunt knife. Because if you don't want that kind of crunchy. And after that, you cut your chili, ginger, and garlic into small pieces, and you fry everything together. You add lemongrass. I didn't have it, so I just used the green curry paste. Then you add coconut milk and 5 to 6 spoons of fish sauce, and you boil everything together with mussels for 12 minutes. You add coriander and basil stems first because they cook longer, and you leave a bit of coriander for decoration, and you squeeze in lime juice, at least one lime juice, and it's done. So mussels are best fresh with wine and a baguette, so enjoy!